Close your eyes and think about a small Indian village. Quiet streets, slow life, and struggles that never seem to end. But what if I tell you, in the next 10 years, these villages will use technologies that even big cities won't have? No giant robots, not flying cars, but billions of tiny IoT devices working silently behind the scenes. This is not science fiction, this is India's real future, and it's coming much faster than we think. When we imagine the future, we picture skyscrapers, neon lights, hyperloops, but true revolution never starts in cities. It starts where the need is greatest. India's next big transformation will begin in villages, and IoT is going to completely redesign life. From farming to healthcare, water, safety, transport, and even shops. The future isn't urban, the future is rural. For most farmers, every day is a fight they didn't choose. The rain comes at the wrong time, the heat suddenly rises, a disease spread silently in the soil, seeds fail to grow, wild animals destroy crops in one night, and market prices crash without warning. A farmer's life today is like gambling with nature. Tiny biodegradable sensors placed in soil will work like doctors for crops. Before a disease spreads, before roots get infected, before nutrition drops, the sensors send alerts and suggest solutions. Farmers won't guess anymore. They will know exactly what the soil wants. Every farm will have its own mini climate station with 50-meter accuracy. No more trusting random weather apps. Farmers will know the exact temperature, humidity, and rainfall prediction for their field alone. Invisible IoT fences detect elephants, boars, cows, and emit harmless signals to keep them away. No harm to animals, no loss to farmers. Seeds will come with tiny nano tags that track germination, growth speed, and nutrition absorption. Farmers can see which part of land grows fast and which areas need support. The whole field becomes color coded like Google Maps. Green healthy, yellow need fertilizer, red needs urgent care. Farming becomes smart, predictable, and almost automated. Water is unpredictable in villages. Some days there is too much, some days there is none. Nobody knows when the tank will fill, when the borewell will run dry, or where water is wasted. Every pipeline, tank, borewell has an online digital copy. If pressure drops, if leakage starts, if water flow slows, villagers see instantly on their phones. No more surprise water cuts. New pipes will automatically seal small cracks using nano coating. A village won't need a plumber for small leaks. The system repairs itself. IoT will distribute water based on temperature, humidity, population, crop requirement, festival seasons. Water won't overflow in one tank and run dry in another. During heavy rains, sensors track rising ground moisture, smart barriers inflate automatically, blocking water before it enters homes. Water management becomes data driven, not guest driven. One emergency, one delayed treatment, one missing doctor, and a life is lost. Villages face this every day. Smart household surfaces. Your home becomes your health assistant. Door handles detect unusual skin temperature. Bathroom mirror sense breathing rhythm. Kitchen taps track dehydration symptoms. If something looks off, your home sends a gentle alert. Your vitals show early signs of illness. Please rest and hydrate. Smart clothes. Your t-shirt becomes a wearable doctor. It monitors heart rhythm, oxygen levels, muscle fatigue, stress spikes. If anything becomes unusual, it sends instant alert. For elders or kids, this can save lives within minutes. Village Health Cloud. Imagine the entire village connected to one smart health brain. It tracks health trends silently. Which house show rising fever pattern, which elderly people need attention, which kids show dehydration, which area has infection risk. Diseases will be stopped before they spread. Nano diagnostic patches. No more blood tests, no need to travel to hospitals. Just place a tiny patch on your skin. It analyzes a drop of sweat for vitamin levels, infection markers, sugar levels, stress, kidney function. Report comes to your phone in seconds. Early diagnosis become automatic. Healthcare becomes proactive, not reactive. Transport in 2035. Buses arrive randomly today. Road damage unnoticed. Vehicles break down suddenly. The future, everything is predictable. Every village has a central hub managing e-bikes, autos, buses, emergency rides. You check timings on phone, no more waiting. Sensors detect potholes and report them instantly to Panchayat. Predictive vehicle health. Village tractors, bikes, autos send alerts before breakdown. Transport becomes smooth, timely, and reliable. If you want me to create a full series showing how you can build these futuristic IoT prototypes at home, comment start the future series because the future is coming fast and I want you to be the one who builds it.